Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we're going to be making a shareable tiki cocktail, the Tiki Bowl, which I learned of through Smuggler's Cove. You'll need lots of crushed ice, honey syrup. I've chosen 3:1 at half the volume, but the SC specs call for 1:1. Next you'll need black blended overproof rum, black blended rum, column still aged rum, like Angostura 7, lime juice, orange juice, and herbstura, which is half and half Angostura and absinthe. Traditionally, herbstura is made with herbsinte absinthe from Nola, but I've used Lucid. Gather all of your ingredients and let's get to it. Starting off, let's crush some ice. Normally you do this later, but since my ice is a bit hard, and you're likely using tray ice from the freezer, we'll do it first so it has time to soften up. So grab a tray or two of ice and start beating the ever-living cube out of it. It's a great way to relieve some stress ahead of the holidays. Next, let's start building the cocktail. Grab your bar mat, shaker tin, jigger, and start with your stickiest ingredient, honey. Measure half an ounce of 3:1 honey syrup, or 1 ounce of 1:1 honey syrup. And then suddenly remember you should add herbstura first, and add 2 dashes. I rip off the label to differentiate this bottle from my Angostura. Better make it 3. I also wrote a nice H on the top with a Sharpie. Now add your honey syrup to your tin. Next, measure out 1.5 ounces of freshly squeezed orange juice, spilling some for the homies. Remember to keep your surface clean. And add the OJ to your tin. Then 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice to your tin. 1 ounce black blended overproof rum such as Hamilton or Gosling's 151 rum to the tin. One and 1/4 ounce black blended rum to the tin. 1 ounce of column still aged rum such as Angostura 7 or Bacardi 8 to the tin. Grab your ice and give it a few extra swings, and start by scooping it in. This is a pretty boozy drink, and for glassware we'll be using a brandy snifter that's about 20 ounces, so feel free to fill the tin right up with ice. Some ice will miss the tin, but just do a couple Serenities or something and then move on. Seal your tin, shake well for about 5 seconds, grab your fishbowl-like glass, and open gate pour right into it. And since we want this thing to be as full as possible, add a couple scoops of ice. Pat it down so you get a nice straight edge along the top, and ideally add 2 glass straws. Optionally, you can garnish with an edible orchid, or to reduce waste, use some lime peel spirals. I think it helps keep the lime taste vibrant even as the cocktail dilutes from ice, and adds a nice color contrast to the large orange orb below it. Or you can skip the garnish altogether. It's a bright, citrusy cocktail with tons of richness from the molasses and the rums and the honey syrup, balanced by the 151 rum, as well as the licorice and clove notes from the herbstura. Thanks everyone for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up, or maybe even try the Boulou, which I'll link here. Leave a comment down below to let me know what you think. And to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.